Welcome back to our channel. Today we're counting down the top 8 best motorcycles of 2025, the latest models that combine power, style, and technology. From sporty naked bikes to versatile adventure machines, these motorcycles stand out for their performance and innovation. Stay tuned to see which bike takes the top spot. Number 8. Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX continues to shine as a versatile sport tourer, now refined further with subtle but impactful upgrades that enhance its reputation for being both thrilling and practical. It is powered by a 1043cc inline 4-cylinder engine delivering 140 horsepower and 81 pound-feet of torque, offering smooth acceleration and a wide power band that makes long-distance rides just as engaging as short-spirited blasts. This year's update brings a slightly redesigned fairing for improved aerodynamics, a revised quick shifter with smoother engagement, and a more refined ride-by-wire throttle response for better low-speed control. The full-color TFT display now supports better smartphone connectivity via Kawasaki Radiology, and the seat has been redesigned for enhanced comfort on longer rides. Bridging the gap between sport bike aggression and touring comfort, it features a relaxed riding triangle, cruise control, traction control, cornering ABS, and electronically adjustable suspension. The Ninja 1000 SX is ideal for experienced riders who want performance without sacrificing everyday usability, but it may feel a bit heavy for newer riders or those preferring ultralight machines, tipping the scales at 513 pounds wet. While not a track monster, its balance of power, touring capability, and real-world ergonomics make it a standout in the leader class category. Whether slicing through mountain roads or cruising down highways with saddlebags attached, the Ninja 1000 SX delivers a well-rounded, confidence-inspiring experience that continues to earn respect among both sport and touring enthusiasts. It is a refined, road-focused machine that deserves its place on any serious rider's radar for 2025. Number 7. Yamaha MT-10 SP. The 2025 Yamaha MT-10 SP raises the bar once again for hyper-naked motorcycles by blending raw power with refined electronic control and premium suspension. At its heart lies a 998cc CP4 inline-4 engine derived from the R1, producing 160 horsepower and 82 pound-feet of torque, tuned for maximum mid-range punch. For 2025, Yamaha has introduced updated engine mapping for smoother throttle response and improved fuel efficiency, alongside refinements to its cruise control and 6-axis IMU-assisted rider aids. The biggest highlight remains its Öhlins semi-active electronic suspension, which reacts in real time to road conditions and rider inputs for unbeatable control and comfort. The lightweight aluminum frame contributes to its nimble handling, while the Brembo Stylema front calipers deliver outstanding stopping power. The MT-10 SP now includes a revised 4.2-inch TFT screen with enhanced menu navigation and Bluetooth connectivity. This motorcycle is best suited for experienced riders seeking naked bike thrills with cutting-edge tech, though its aggressive stance and unfiltered power delivery might be too intense for newer riders. The compact, upright ergonomics and wide handlebars provide excellent leverage, making it equally capable on twisty back roads or urban commutes. With razor-sharp looks, track-grade components, and daily usability, the MT-10 SP stands tall as one of the most complete performance machines of the year. Number 6. Triumph Speed. 1200 RS. The 2025 Triumph Speed 1200 RS continues to define what a modern performance naked should be, combining British engineering elegance with ferocious street power. It is powered by an 1160cc inline triple engine producing 177 horsepower and 92 pound-feet of torque, delivering a linear and exhilarating power band that thrives across the rev range. For 2025, Triumph has fine-tuned the electronics package, improving throttle sensitivity and traction control calibration, while introducing a refreshed user interface for its full-color TFT screen. The RS comes equipped with Öhlins fully adjustable suspension, Brembo Stylema brakes, and Pirelli Diablo Supercorsa SP V3 tires, all of which contribute to its razor-sharp handling and excellent feedback. The chassis remains lightweight and stiff, offering superb agility whether on the street or occasional track days. A new seat material and revised padding improve comfort on longer rides, although the riding position is still performance-focused and better suited to spirited riders than long-haul tourers. Its aggressive styling is highlighted by new paint schemes and carbon fiber touches for 2025, making it one of the most visually striking bikes in its class. The Speed Triple 1200 RS is ideal for riders who want super naked performance without going full superbike, offering an intense yet refined riding experience with premium hardware and style. Number 5. BMW R 1300 GS. The 2025 BMW R 1300 GS takes the crown as the most advanced and capable GS model yet, building on decades of adventure heritage with significant upgrades in performance, weight reduction, and technology. Its new 1300cc Boxer twin engine delivers 145 horsepower and 110 pound-feet of torque, the most powerful boxer engine BMW has ever produced, offering smooth, low-end torque and effortless highway cruising. For 2025, the chassis has been re-engineered with a new sheet metal frame and lighter swing arm, shedding over 26 pounds compared to the previous model, dramatically improving agility and off-road maneuverability. The telelever and paralever suspension systems remain, now enhanced with semi-active dynamic suspension adjustment that reacts in real time to terrain and riding style. The updated 6.5-inch TFT display features clearer visuals, better navigation, and seamless smartphone integration. The ergonomics have also been revised, with a slimmer seat and narrower tank to improve control when standing. Rider aids include multiple ride modes, cornering ABS, adaptive headlights, and optional radar-assisted adaptive cruise control. While it may be overkill for casual urban riders or beginners due to its size and complexity, for serious long-distance adventurers and seasoned touring riders, the R 1300 GS is a masterpiece of comfort, capability, and cutting-edge engineering. Number 4. Ducati Multistrada V4S Grand Tour. The 2025 Ducati Multistrada V4S Grand Tour is a top-tier sport adventure motorcycle that blends high-performance road dynamics with long-distance touring luxury. At the heart of this machine lies the 1158cc Gran Turismo V4 engine, producing 170 horsepower and 92 pound-feet of torque, optimized for smoothness and endurance. For 2025, Ducati has focused on fine-tuning rider comfort and electronics, with updated radar-based adaptive cruise control and blind spot detection systems that now work more intuitively in varied environments. The Multistrada's Skyhook semi-active suspension has been recalibrated for better comfort and control across all riding modes, and the Grand Tour trim includes heated grips, heated seats, a larger windscreen, and aluminum side cases as standard. The ergonomics have been adjusted with new padding and seat shape, improving long-haul comfort for both rider and passenger. The 6.5-inch TFT dashboard now offers more user-friendly navigation and Bluetooth functions, while new cornering lights enhance nighttime visibility. This motorcycle excels on paved roads and light off-road conditions, making it ideal for riders who prioritize performance, technology, and comfort in a single package. It might be too tall or complex for smaller or novice riders, but for experienced motorcyclists looking to devour miles in style and speed, the Multistrada V4S Grand Tour delivers an exhilarating grand touring experience. Number 3. Harley-Davidson Pan America 1250 Special. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Pan America 1250 Special proves that American engineering can thrive in the competitive adventure touring segment, combining rugged off-road capability with modern touring comfort. Powered by the Revolution Max 1250cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine, it produces 150 horsepower and 94 pound-feet of torque, offering a broad, torque-rich power band that is perfect for both highway cruising and challenging trails. For 2025, Harley-Davidson has refined the ride modes for smoother transitions between road, rain, and off-road settings, and has updated the adaptive ride height system, which now lowers more seamlessly at stops for improved confidence. The suspension remains a standout feature, with semi-active front and rear units that adjust on the fly, while the Brembo braking system delivers strong, predictable stopping power. A new anti-glare TFT display with improved navigation and Bluetooth functionality adds to the rider's convenience. The ergonomics have been slightly adjusted with a narrower seat profile, making it easier to flat-foot at a stop. This bike is best suited for adventure enthusiasts who want a machine capable of world travel without abandoning road performance. It may be too heavy or tall for newer riders or those focused only on urban riding, but for those seeking a versatile, tech-rich, and bold adventure motorcycle, the Pan America 1250 Special stands tall. Number 2. Aprilia Tuono V 41100 Factory. The 2025 Aprilia Tuono V 41100 Factory is a blisteringly fast and technologically advanced naked sport bike that perfectly balances aggressive performance with rider-friendly electronics. Powered by a 1077cc V4 engine producing 175 horsepower and 89 pound-feet of torque, the Tuono offers explosive acceleration and a thrilling top-end rush. This year's model benefits from refined engine mapping for smoother throttle response, enhanced quick-shifter functionality for seamless upshifts and downshifts, and upgraded Aprilia Performance Ride Control with additional customizable riding modes. The 2025 Tuono also features improved semi-active Öhlins Smart EC suspension, which adapts instantly to road conditions, providing exceptional stability and comfort. The lightweight aluminum frame combined with sharp steering geometry ensures razor-sharp handling, making it a joy on twisty roads. The 5-inch full-color TFT display has been upgraded for better visibility and integrates easily with smartphone apps, enhancing rider connectivity. Ergonomically, the Tuono balances a sporty, forward-leaning position with enough comfort for longer rides, though it leans more toward experienced riders due to its aggressive power delivery. Its Brembo brakes offer powerful stopping performance, while traction control and cornering ABS provide confidence in all conditions. For riders seeking an adrenaline-packed naked sport bike with cutting-edge tech and race-inspired pedigree, the Aprilia Tuono V 41100 Factory is a top contender. Number 1. Honda CB1000R Neo Sports Café. The 2025 Honda CB1000R Neo Sports Café takes the top spot by perfectly blending retro-modern styling with contemporary performance and technology. Powered by a refined 998cc inline-4 engine, this bike produces around 143 horsepower and 78 pound-feet of torque, delivering smooth and responsive power that is accessible across a broad rev range. For 2025, Honda has introduced updated ride-by-wire throttle mapping for improved throttle precision and smoother power delivery, alongside enhanced cornering ABS and traction control systems that work seamlessly with the bike's lightweight chassis. The CB1000R features a stylish, minimalist design inspired by Café racers, but equipped with modern components such as a fully digital LCD display with Bluetooth connectivity, LED lighting, and adjustable suspension for a tailored ride experience. The ergonomics strike a comfortable balance, with a slightly forward-leaning riding position that suits both urban commuting and spirited weekend rides. The 16-liter fuel tank offers decent range, and the bike's manageable weight of around 467 pounds makes it nimble in city traffic and confident on open roads. While it may lack the outright power of some leader-class competitors, its refined handling, modern tech, and distinctive styling make it a versatile choice for riders who want a blend of character, performance, and everyday usability. The CB1000R Neo Sports Café stands out as a truly well-rounded motorcycle for 2025. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Let us know your favorite motorcycle in the comments. Until next time, ride safe and see you soon.